Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Easy English. I am your teacher and your friend, Miss Grace. I am so happy you are here with me today. Learning English is like planting a small flower. You give it a little water every day, and one day it blooms. That is why we always say, small steps, big results.
Grace, help! Grace, where are you? Oh no! Oh no! Everything is so big. Everything is so scary.
Zizi? Is that you? Why are you shouting, my little friend?
Grace, I'm lost. I wanted to go to the Golden Fish restaurant to have a big lunch, but now I'm standing in a place I don't know.
Oh, Zizi, take a deep breath. Look around you. What do you see?
I see a big blue bus. I see many people walking very fast. I see a tall building, but I don't see the fish. I'm hungry, Grace, and I'm a little bit scared.
I understand, Zizi. Being lost is a big trouble. But don't worry, you have a voice. You can ask for help.
Ask for help? In English? But Grace, my English is so tiny, like a bean.
A tiny bean is enough, Zizi. Today, I will show you and our listeners that you only need a few simple words to find your way. We will learn how to ask politely and how to understand directions like left, right, and straight.
Really? So if I learn these words, I can find my fish?
Yes, Zizi, you will find your fish and you will feel like a superhero. Listeners, are you ready to help Zizi and learn with us?
Let's go. Let's find the fish.
Let's start our lesson. Okay, Zizi, and okay, my dear friends, let's learn our first magic tool. When you are lost, don't run. Stop. Find a person and use this phrase. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Like when I sneeze?
Achoo! Excuse me.
Close, Zizi, but we use excuse me to get attention. It is like a polite knock on the door before you speak. Listeners, let's say it together. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Oh, I like it. It sounds very fancy.
Good. After excuse me, you need to ask the question. It is very simple. Only 3 words. Where is the? Zizi, what are you looking for?
The Golden Fish restaurant.
So you say, excuse me, where is the Golden Fish restaurant?
Excuse me, where is the Golden Fish restaurant? Easy. I can do that. But Grace, what if they talk back to me? What if they say blah 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 and I don't understand?
That is a good question, Zizi. You need to listen for 3 magic directions. Listen carefully, friends. Direction number 1 is go straight. Go straight. It means do not turn. Walk like a straight line.
Go straight, like a cat running to a bowl of milk.
Exactly. Direction number 2 and 3 are turn left and turn right.
Oh no, left and right. That is very hard, Grace. My paws look the same. Which one is left? Which one is right?
Listeners, here is a trick. Put your hands in front of you. Open your thumb and your finger. Your left hand makes the letter L. L is for left.
Oh, I see it. My left paw is an L. So turn left is that way, and the other way is turn right.
Perfect. Now, one more thing. Sometimes the place is very close. The person might say, it is next to.
Next to? What is next to?
It means beside. For example, Zizi, you are standing next to a big tree.
The restaurant might be next to a tall building.
Next to the building? Next to the tree.
Got it. Let's review, Zizi. Number 1, excuse me. Number 2, where is the? Number 3, go straight. Number 4, turn left. Number 5, turn right. Number 6, next to.
Wow, Grace. Only 6 things? I feel smarter already. My brain is growing.
Yes, Zizi, your brain is growing, and so are our listeners' brains. But knowing the words is not enough. You must speak them.
I am ready. I want to speak. I want to find my fish.
Great. Now, everyone, get ready. We are going to the shadowing zone. This is where we make your English muscles strong. Don't go away.
Welcome to the shadowing zone. This is the most important part of our podcast. Listeners and Zizi, are you ready to speak?
My mouth is ready. My tongue is ready. Let's do it.
Remember the rule. Do not wait. Speak at the same time as me. If I speak slowly, you speak slowly. If I speak fast, you speak fast. Let's start with our first sentence. Excuse me, can you help me?
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 Very good. Now sentence number 2. Where is the restaurant?
Where is the restaurant?
Where is the restaurant?
Where is the restaurant?
Excellent. Now the directions. Listen carefully. Go straight and turn left.
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 You are doing great. One more. It is next to the bank.
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 Last one. Let's say thank you. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Wonderful. Zizi, how do you feel?
My face feels warm. It's like a workout for my mouth.
That is good. That means you are learning. Practice this every day and your English will be beautiful.
I am a beautiful English cat. Now, can we go to the restaurant? I'm really hungry now.
Yes, Zizi. Let's see if you can use these sentences in the real world. Now it is time for the big moment. Zizi, look! There is a woman standing near that shop. She is wearing a blue hat. Go and ask her for the restaurant.
Okay, I'm nervous, Grace. My tail is shaking.
You can do it, Zizi. Use your magic tools.
Excuse me? Can you help me?
Hello there. Yes, of course. How can I help you, little cat?
I'm looking for the Golden Fish restaurant. Where is it?
Oh, the Golden Fish. It is a very good place. Listen carefully. First, go straight for 2 minutes.
Go straight. Okay.
Then you will see a big yellow bakery. At the bakery, turn right.
Right. Is that the hand with the L? No. The other hand. Turn right.
That's it. Turn right. The restaurant is next to the bakery. It has a big sign with a fish on it.
Go straight. Turn right. Next to the bakery. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your lunch. Zizi, you did it. You were so polite and you understood everything.
I did it, Grace. I listened for the words straight and right and next to. It was like a game.
Exactly. When you know what words to listen for, English is not scary anymore.
I see it. I see the yellow bakery. And look, there's the big fish sign.
Go enjoy your meal, Zizi. You worked very hard today.
Wait for me, Grace. There's enough fish for both of us.
Wow, what a wonderful journey today. Zizi, you look very happy. Is the fish good?
Grace, it is the best fish in the world, and it tastes even better because I used my English to find it. I feel like a king.
I am so proud of you, Zizi, and I am proud of everyone listening at home. Today we learned a very important lesson. We don't need 1,000 words to be brave. We only need the right words to find our way.
That's right. Let's remind our friends one more time. To be polite, say, "Excuse me." To find a place, ask, "Where is the—"
And remember the directions. Go straight, turn left, and turn right. If a building is beside another building, it is next to it. Simple, right?
So simple. And don't forget the secret trick, friends. The letter L on your hand is for left. I will never forget that. My paws are very smart now.
They certainly are. To everyone listening, thank you so much for spending your time with us at the Easy English. You are doing an amazing job. Learning a new language takes heart, and you have it.
Yes, you are all superstars, and we have a question for you. If you were lost in a big city, what is the first thing you would look for? A library, a park, or a delicious fish restaurant like me? Tell us in the comments.
We can't wait to read your answers. Be kind to yourself and keep practicing. Every word you say today is a victory. It is a step toward a bigger world.
I am ready for the next step, Grace. I want to learn more.
Me too, Zizi, because we always remember.
Small steps, big results.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you later.